Looking at the stock info tab, we have a nice way just to get some quick research done on an individual name. We have the stock info right here on the side. We have the details when it comes to earnings per share and short float, shares outstanding, what's the float of the stock, all of that very important information, the amount of volume that's done today, how much it's up from January 1, relative volume, a quick snapshot of, hey, show me all the data that I need to know before I'm interested in trading this stock. We also have the profile, and this will tell you things like what does the company do in case it's something that you've never heard of before. Here's Apple right here. But what does the company do? Where are they located? When did they start? What sector they're in? That kind of thing. And then news. So we have a nice little news section that's just going to at all times be scrolling, and it's trolling the internet for news when it comes. If you click on one of these, it will just open up another website and just show you more about what's going on in the individual news, and you can determine whether or not that's important. Over here, we have a chart. This can be changed to different time frames based off whether you're an intraday trader or a swing trader or an investor, or if you just want a longer or shorter time frame. Down here on the bottom, we have a stock race that shows you all the competitors. So, right, we have SMCI with Apple. We have, Hewlett Packard and Dell and all of these things. So you can actually go through and see, are any of the competitors for the stock that I'm looking at moving? Maybe you have a bias on Apple, but you find out that Google is actually really looking good and moving right now. It's a quick way to look at the competitors for whatever stock you're looking at the time.